Welcome all. So thank you all my dear students. In the first video of the ball swing, so I got a very huge positive response from your side, and now I am forced to go for second video. And today's class, it is all about reverse swing. I repeat, reverse swing. So in the last class we have seen what exactly conventional swing is. Now today we'll see reverse swing. So in conventional swing, my dear students, in conventional swing, we have seen that the seam is like this. This is the seam, this is the seam, and the ball also moves in the direction of seam. In the direction of seam, that is conventional swing, conventional swing. Now in about 80s, some fast bowlers like Imran Khan, Sarfraz Nawaz, they started doing something in a different way. So batsmen were unable to play and there was a big miracle. So let me see what exactly is that miracle. Is it a miracle? No. Obviously it is a science, that is pure fluid mechanics. Now the swinging or the lateral movement of the old ball, maybe 40 overs, maybe 50 overs. Generally, in test matches, the ball is played, say, about 90 overs or so. So after 50 or 45 or 50 overs, when the ball becomes old and due to continuous usage for 40-45 overs, the ball becomes a bit rough. There is a wear. So, but my dear students, you might have observed, generally one side of the ball is kept continuously. They rub, they use saliva, they use sweat, continuously they rub and keep one side deliberately smooth. What will happen if one side, please note on that all these cricketers, they rub or they shine, they keep only one side smooth, not the other side. But definitely after 45-50 overs, the ball will become old. There will be wear on both sides. There will be wear on both sides. But one side, I know both are rough surfaces. We know that both are rough surfaces. But one surface is regularly rubbed and kept smooth. Now, what will happen with this? So in the first video, we have seen that, what did we see? We have seen that in the direction of seam, there is a lateral movement. And if the batsman is standing here, now the ball moves like this. Very good. So in the direction of seam dekho, and this is the shiny side. The ball will move away. This is away. So this is the shiny side and it is moving away and it is in the direction of seam. Now let us see what is a reverse swing. My dear students, let's check. 1 second please. Now, this is, let us say, though it is looking shiny, but it is an old ball. So reverse swing, when I talk, it is with respect to old ball. My dear students, let us assume that this is completely old ball, but one side is kept smooth by rubbing. I know both are rough surfaces only. Listen carefully. Both are rough surfaces. Why they are rough surfaces? Because we have used it for 45-50 overs. So both sides, if you see this ball, both sides are rough. But please note down, if you observe clearly, this ball, this side is over rough, this side is over rough, this is rough, but compared to the other side, it is a bit smooth. Now, of course, I know both are rough sides, but this is kept smooth, this is kept smooth, this is kept smooth. Smooth means by rubbing, one side is kept smooth, but I know it is also due to wear and tear, it is also rough, but compared to this surface, as you are continuously rubbing on one side, compared to this, the other surface, this is relatively smooth. Now observe here. The batsman is standing here. The ball is bowled in this direction. This is the direction of motion. Actually, it is in the horizontal plane. The bowler is bowling like this, and I have shown everything in this view. The ball is moving in the forward direction. Here forward means upward direction. It's not upward, it is moving in the forward direction. Now observe. Dear students, this is also rough. Because of the continuous usage, this is also rough. But compared to this is the shiny side. Compared to this is the shiny side. In our conventional swing, when the seam is held like this, the ball will move like this. The ball will move like this. Let us see what is a reverse swing. This is rough surface. Of course, both are rough, but compared to this, it is a bit smooth. It is a bit smooth. And you know, it is, as it is a rough surface, I am not saying it is purely smooth, brand new. It is used ball. So when it is used ball, definitely it will be rough. So therefore, turbulent boundary layer is formed. Turbulent boundary layer is formed. Turbulent boundary layer is formed. And you know, turbulent boundary layer is stronger. Therefore, it separates. It is least susceptible for separation. So it separates late. So therefore, it is attached to this surface of the ball, and thereby it leaves late in a late manner. Now, you know, my dear students, यहाँ पे there is a seam. There is a seam. And moreover, this is much rougher than this. So, as it is much rougher, due to the seam, already turbulent formed here. Already turbulent. In previous case, there was a laminar. There was a laminar. The formation of turbulent took place from this place. In conventional swing, it was laminar. So, now in conventional swing, turbulent formed here. But already here, as it is an old ball, already turbulent is formed. So, this turbulent it should not start from the beginning. Already the turbulent is formed. So this is a rough surface. So it is turbulent, and that turbulent increases its thickness. Please note down the difference between conventional and this. In conventional, it was laminar. So, and from the seam, it was turbulent. But already as the ball is used one, this is turbulent. This is turbulent. So this turbulent will, as you see, these threads, it will already a turbulent form ho gaya. Already it is turbulent. So now its thickness increases. Already it is turbulent, but due to these threads, again, ये already turbulent hai. Due to rough, due to old ball. So this turbulent will stick for a longer time. Now look at my distance. Due to this seam, this turbulent boundary layer thickness increases. So thereby it grows faster. When it grows faster, its thickness will increase faster. When it increases faster, it separates easily. I'll give you a simple example. Look at, as already it is turbulent. That turbulent boundary layer, in previous case, conventional swing, it was laminar, and turbulent was starting from here. So turbulent was increasing its thickness like this. But already this turbulent is formed, and threads are there. This seam is there. So already turbulent is formed due to old ball, and thereby due to these threads, the turbulent boundary layer increases. So its thickness becomes very large. The turbulent boundary layer thickness increases very large. When it becomes very large, and it separates faster. Let me give you simple example. Let us assume that this is a small thickness. Let us say this is the ball. This is a small thickness. If the thickness is very small, it will hold for a longer time. Dekho, if the thickness is very small, it will stay for a longer time. But if the thickness is large, you just see. If the thickness is large, dekho. If you see this side, it is sticking for a longer time. But if you see this side, already turbulent is formed, and that turbulent is increasing its thickness. As the thickness is increasing, it separates faster. Unlike this, as it gets separated faster, look at my distance. Due to fast increase of thickness, it gets separated faster. Let us see the beauty here. My dear students. As it gets separated faster, look at, please listen carefully. Now the beauty is coming. Now look at, as it is turbulent, it will stick for a longer time. But this turbulent is increasing its thickness. As it is increasing, it separates faster. So it is separating faster. So air is leaving like this, and air is leaving like this. Look at carefully. Look at the orientation of seam. And as air is leaving, if this is the action, my dear students, what should be the reaction? Like this. Oh my God! The seam is in this direction. In conventional swing, the ball was swinging like this. But now, when the ball gets older, now it started swinging in a reverse manner. That is not conventional. It is a reverse swing. Oh my God! The batsman thought initially batsman thought, as the seam, he'll look at the bowler. So when he checks the seam, he thinks it is outswinger. So he'll be ready like this, but the ball comes in. That's why initially, there were some top players like Wasim Akram, Wakar Yunus. They were very good at this reverse swing. See the beauty here, fluid mechanics. So please see the beauty here, my dear students. Let me explain again. Let me explain again. As you know, my dear students, देखो देखो मजा मजा देखो. Now please understand. One second, please. अरे ये भी नमूना है आपकी तरह. Look at. Look at. So this is laminar. Sorry, turbulent. I'm sorry. Pen ले लेंगे. This is turbulent because the ball is old. So therefore, as it is a bit shiny compared to this, so this turbulent will stick. Turbulent is not easy to separate. This is sticking for a longer time. But already turbulent form hua, and due to these threads, that turbulent boundary layer thickness increases, and this is much more rougher than this. इस surface ये rough है, तो turbulent और increase होगा. If it is increasing, it separates fast. When it separates fast, this is the air leaving. So here it is leaving like this, here it is leaving like. If this is the action, now let me show the reaction. If this is, see, now the air is leaving like this. The seam is pointed, देखो एक second. Now let us see. The seam is pointed like this, इस direction में. The seam is pointed like this. So in conventional swing, it moves like this. Now the air is leaving. Oh, means, oh my God, it is a reverse swing. It is a reverse swing. So unlike this, that's why you know what happened. This is the art of fluid mechanics. So in reverse swing, always remember, in reverse swing, the shiny side of the ball will come towards the batsman, and it will not move in the direction of seam. It will move in the opposite direction of seam. That is reverse swing, my dear students. See the beauty of fluid mechanics. Now, I'll tell you one incident of Sachin Tendulkar. There was a match that was being played at Mohali, a test match. It was against New Zealand. So Chris Keynes, their top class bowler, Chris Keynes, he was bowling. And Rahul Dravid and Sachin Tendulkar were batting. So you know, Chris Keynes was bowling like it was lethal. So they were unable to play. In every over 2 to 3 balls, they were struggling. Then what happened? There was a conversation in between wickets. Like Sachin and Rahul Dravid, they conversed. Then Sachin gave one trick. He said, when you are batting, देखो 1 second. Now Rahul Dravid was on strike. Sachin Tendulkar was at the non-striker end side. So he said, he was just looking at Chris Keynes' hand. And then he gave some hint. So Sachin Tendulkar gave some hint. After giving hint, Rahul Dravid, he was scoring like anything now. He hit cover drive, then so many, like he scored beautiful runs. Then Chris Keynes was shocked. Actually, then all the players were looking what is happening. So when Keynes was bowling, Sachin was actually not looking at the batsman, but he was looking at the bowler. Everyone were suspicious. Then you know, Chris Keynes was very intelligent. Then he changed and he was he held his arm something like this. He could not. So Sachin could not see. But for that also he had a trick. What was the trick? You know, Sachin said. So if the ball is moving in like this side, Sachin Tendulkar said, I'll hold my bat this side. If the ball is swinging this side, because only who can see that? The one who is closer. This batsman is far, so 22 yards. So therefore, Sachin was closer. He observed. So when immediately after seeing the bowler's hand and his movements seen, immediately, because it was an old ball, it was reverse swinging. So he held. Like if the ball was coming this side, so he used to keep the bat on that side. If the ball was moving like this, he used to keep bat like this. And when there was doubt, he used to keep the bat like this. This was the beauty, and you know, beautiful fluid mechanics, my dear students. And hope you enjoyed what exactly is a reverse swing. It is unconventional, like it is opposite to the conventional swing. So hope you have enjoyed. So I'll be coming out with many such videos, and in the next one, I'm coming up with very beautiful model thermal, and I'm going to I will try my level best to show you the beauty of some important concept that I will not reveal you, but it will be from thermal area. So on this channel, mechanical ka funda. It will be pure concepts, pure subjects, and in coming days we'll introduce some beautiful conceptual practical questions which will be useful for your GATE examination. And no noise, only subject. Thank you, my dear students, for your affection. God bless you. Goodbye.